Welcome to the Power BI tutorial. Today, we are diving into the process of connecting to data sources in Power BI. Establishing a connection to a data source is the first step in creating reports or dashboards in Power BI. Luckily, Power BI offers a wide range of connectivity options, including Excel files, databases, and online services like Salesforce and Google Analytics. To get started, open Power BI Desktop and navigate to the Home tab. From there, click on the Get Data button. You'll notice that Power BI displays the most common data sources first. If your desired data source is listed here, such as an Excel or CSV file or a SQL Server database, simply click on it to proceed. If you don't see your desired data source listed, don't worry. Just click on the More option to reveal additional possible data sources. Power BI supports connectivity to over 150 data sources, so chances are you'll find what you need. When connecting to a specific data source, you'll typically need to provide certain information. For example, if you're connecting to a SQL server, you'll need to provide the server name and optionally the database name. Additionally, you'll need to specify the authentication method, Windows or SQL Server authentication, and provide the necessary credentials. Once you've entered the required information, click OK to establish the connection. Power BI will then start loading the data from your chosen source, and there you have it. You've successfully connected to a data source in Power BI. Now you can start building your reports and dashboards with the data you've imported.